Hi, in front of me is Poco X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Firstly, just open Devices settings and scroll down to access Notifications and Control Center. Now click on App Notifications. Click on Sort By at the top. Sorry, misclick. And click on the best option for you. In my case, sort by number of notifications. Finally, just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them, like Play Store. You can turn them back on the same way. If you want to, you can always just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!